Hi everyone, today I'm going to service my new XUV500 for 5000 kilometers and I need to book a service online and download the app with You Hamesha Mahindra with You Hamesha app, and you need to install this app into your smartphone. And here is the app, 4.2 rating, and I already installed in my smartphone. I'm going to open this and allow. And this is how the app looks, and I need to provide my email and password and then log in. After login, you can just find out my vehicle here. You can also add different vehicles in this section, and here you can watch the next service is due for 5000 kilometers and it's loading. So here you can book the service, so let it load. The next service is due to 3rd March 2018, and today it's already very late, and let us schedule. I just need to press the schedule red button. So here is, so select the service type, scheduled service, then state, which will select for Karnataka, then city, Ballari, service center, and you can see that there is Ballari Motor Sales Private Limited, so I'm going to select this service center. Then for service center location, so I have got the address, so this is the one location I need to take my XUV there, and this how I selected and it's processing. Let's wait. And now I am going to select the service schedule, and here it is. Today is March 27. 28 is very busy. Then I'm going to book on 29th, so around 10 a.m. So your booking date and time is 29th March 2018 at 10 a.m. and done. And next I am going to press the next button. So it's for Ballari and 29th March, that's on Thursday. Next, so they need the odometer reading, and so I need to just go to the car, and it is 5252. This cost calculator, and labor 2350, parts 2267, total 4617. Costs shown here are only for scheduled services. There will be no labor fees charged for the first 3 services. Copper washer, 5 liters oil, 250 ml, 1 liter catalyst. So these are the parts to be consumed. Okay, then add standard jobs. You can add water wash or dry wash or wheel alignment if you want to carry out at Mahindra service center, and also the job description. You can enter any of your issues if you find with your new vehicle, or you can select from the service list. Okay, then pickup service required, no, pickup service may be chargeable, And drop service required? No. And this what? Okay, then let's press next. Yes, it's working. So service and schedule. So it is scheduled at Ballari Motors. The location on 29th March 10 a.m. And description, odometer reading, water wash, and no. And let us submit. It's processing. And now we have booked the service successfully. So after booking your service, you can also track and pay online. You can watch the day we started is on 31st October 2017, and here you can just watch track and pay, and above you can find the leadership name and the last service date. So let me see if what happens if I press track and pay. You can see the schedule. You can also reschedule, or also you can cancel the schedule. Oh, that's great using this app. So other features, you have my dashboard. This is the my dashboard. You have shield warranty. You have roadside assistance. You can also go for roadside assistance. So this scheme is for 3 years till 12/1/2019. Again, you need to renew the roadside assistance. You can also go for live chat, and the above you can just add another vehicle if you're going to purchase another Mahindra car. And this how you can book your service at any place you want to get served with your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more latest updates. Please like and share this video. Hope this video has helped you. Thank you. Bye.